Okay, so I'm going to look here and see if I can get this all figured out because this is the very first video. So, if you're watching this tutorial, I'm going to turn on my burner because this takes a minute. This tutorial is going to be how to make a roux. I know it's spelled kind of weird, but it's called roux. Roux is awesome. It's your base sauce for tons of different recipes. First, before I forget, I'm going to put my hair up so I don't forget, because the last thing you want is hair in your food, right? So always put your hair back, tuck it in your shirt, put it behind your apron, whatever that way. So basically what roux is it's flour, milk, and butter. And it's a thickening. It's a thickening sauce. You can add roux to, it's like the base for gravies, like your sausage gravy for biscuits and gravy, or a lot of soups call for it, and it's kind of that what thickens the soup up, basically. So I'm going to start. So this is the basic recipe for roux. We're going to do 4 tablespoons of butter, which is basically a quarter of a cup of butter. The important thing to remember with roux is you want equal parts of butter and flour, and that's gonna be kind of how it thickens. Roux can also be used with mac and cheese. Like if you've ever wanted to make homemade mac and cheese, you start with the roux and then you add your extra cheese in your milk. So this is really a versatile recipe. Once you know how to make a base roux, you can make so many different things, and it's super cheap. I mean, butter, flour, and milk. It doesn't get much cheaper than that. It's one of those things that you can stretch too. You don't have to, as long as you have your butter and flour ratios the same, you don't have to be exact like with the milk. You can add more milk and have it runnier, or you can add less milk and have it thicker. And like I said, it's super easy to do. Usually for my family, I will do like 1 to 2 cubes of butter, and then I'll end up doing half to 1 cup of flour, depending on what we're using it for. If we're doing something like a gravy, so today I'm going to actually make tuna fish gravy on toast. So I'll show you how we make the roux, and then we're going to add it to we're going to turn it into tuna fish gravy on toast. It has some other names, but less appropriate names, so I won't call it those. But my family, we always called it tuna fish gravy on toast. But you can add, if we're making like tuna fish gravy on toast for our family, which there's 8 of us, I would probably do 1 cube of butter. I don't know, it depends on how hungry everybody is, maybe 2 cubes of butter. So you can make a big batch or not. It's really one of those things that's hard to mess up. As long as you have your butter and flour ratios the same, super easy, super cheap. So let's get our butter melted. The first thing you're going to do, and I'm using a whisk just because it is easier, especially when you're first learning. Sometimes you can get lumps in it and stuff. And you can just whisk it. You could put it in the blender even if you want, if you have that problem. Usually the lumps come from adding the milk at the wrong speed. And so it's kind of a trick to get that exactly right, to get the right consistency. But it's not like it's going to throw off the flavor or anything that way. We'll show you how to do that. So we're getting our butter melted. I could have started this before the video. I pre-measured everything out because I was trying to think of what would save time. I didn't think about melting the butter in the pan to this time. That would have been a little faster. Overall, this recipe, this is something we used to have a lot on Sundays. Come home from church and we would just make it up quick because it's really pretty quick to make. The whole especially even a big batch in 5-10 minutes. Okay, so now my butter is melted. I'm going to add a flour. So I know this is a 1 cup measuring cup, but it's about a quarter of a cup of flour. So you have your flour and your butter at the same amounts, same ratios. So you're mixing it in and kind of makes like a paste, if you can see a little bit there. So it's just a flour butter paste. Now, there's 2 ways you can do it. Now we're going to add 2 cups of milk. So we've got a quarter cup of butter, quarter cup of flour, mix those together well, and then we're going to add our milk. Now, if you add it slowly like this and stir it while you add it, that has your least amount of chances of flour, and you're taking this butter flour paste and you're thinning it down by adding your milk. And this little portable burner doesn't get as hot as like my stove does. If you have one of these portable burners, I'm doing it for this because it's kind of hard to do over by the stove. This is a little easier. Okay, so now we got all our milk added. And so at this point, all you do is you're just going to stir it, and you're going to cook it, bring it to like a soft boil, and as it boils, it'll thicken. So just have it simmer. You do want to watch it, you do want to stir it, because when you're cooking, anytime you're cooking with milk or dairy anything, it has to settle in the bottom of your pan and it'll burn quickly. So if you're doing like a milk-based soup or anything like that that has milk in it, you want to keep stirring it, because you'll notice if you walk away for too long, the milk really sits in the bottom, and then you'll kind of get that burnt at the bottom of your pan. Usually it doesn't pull up unless you're scraping it off, and so it's not like you'll have burnt pieces in your food, but when you go to clean the pan, it's not going to be fun. So anything milk-based, you really want to keep stirring it. But at this point, this is your roux. Like just letting it boil, thicken up a little bit, and you've got it. That's a roux. Now from there, you can add cheese. We could, if we wanted to make homemade mac and cheese, you could add cheese, because it'll get thick. It'll get thick like the thickness you want your cheese sauce to be for mac and cheese. So at this point, you could add cheese, garlic salt, garlic powder, whatever kind you like. And there's no rhyme or reason. Like you could add whatever flavors of cheese that you like for homemade mac and cheese. You could do like, we've done Swiss cheese is really good in homemade mac and cheese. Usually our family, we kind of just grab whatever's in the fridge and just throw a few things together. We like the Colby Jack cheese a lot. So for mac and cheese, like literally, you just use your imagination and add in, I would say probably about 2 cups of cheese if you were doing mac and cheese. It just depends on how cheesy you want it. And some of your cheeses, like mozzarella, is going to be really stringy. So when you go to dish up, you're going to be pulling the cheese apart from the noodles. So that's what you do. You just add your cheese, and then you would pour this over the cooked noodles. For mac and cheese, if you were going to do a sausage gravy you can actually make at the same time as the roux. So you just get your sausage, cook your sausage in the pan. Because sausage already has a little bit of the fat, you can add a little less butter, or just add, do your 1/4 cup of butter and do maybe 1/3 cup of flour, because you're going to have a little bit of the extra fat from the sausage. So, and then you'd have sausage gravy, and you can add whatever seasonings your family likes. There's, see, it's already starting to thick up here. So it's starting to get nice and thick. Some of my favorite seasonings is it's called green salad seasoning, and there's seasoned salt, garlic powder. Some of your seasoning blends are usually pretty good. McCormick has a bunch of good ones. Okay, so now that this is getting thick, I'm going to turn the heat down, because it will keep getting thicker and thicker the longer I cook it. So, now the heat turned down. I got just grated up here a little bit of cheese, probably about 1.5 cups worth, 1 to 1.5 cups of cheese. So we're going to add that in and let that melt a little bit. Oh, I didn't grab my can opener. So we got our cheese in there melting, and let's open some tuna. So we haven't added any seasoning yet. Again, this is totally something that's just by taste. So, sorry. I think next time I'm going to have a few more things done up ahead as much as I can. I know it's hard, because trying to teach a tutorial, I want you to see all the steps, but that also means the time too. I am going to post this video. I have my phone doing a different angle here of the video, and I will post that on YouTube. So you can see the condensed version here without me in it, and it will just show the, okay, come on. I have a love-hate relationship with these can openers, I really do. It's those top ones, you know, that break the seal and don't do sharp edges. They're great, but sometimes they're a pain. Okay, so I just have 1 can of tuna. I'm going to add into it. And there you go. So now this would be our tuna fish gravy on toast. If it's too thick, add a little bit of milk. If it's not thick enough, just cook it, let it simmer a little bit longer. So we got our toast, and we just pour this over. This is seriously one of the easiest, cheapest meals you can do, especially feeding a group, a large family. You just toast up a bunch. Our family will go through maybe a loaf of bread and in toast, and we just throw this on it. Again, add whatever seasonings you like, but that's it. It's done. So that was a whole, let's see, we had 5 ingredients: butter, flour, milk, tuna, cheese. 5 ingredients. And I mean, your bread that you toast. But that's it. So I hope that helped some of you, gave you a little bit of a starter recipe idea tutorial. I'm going to try and do some more of these. Please let me know if there's something you want to learn how to do, or some recipe idea that you're looking for, and I'll kind of cater this. I didn't get paid to do this, so this is just something I do to help other people and things. So, but let me know. It does my schedule around my normal job. I have to go work around, and 6 kids. So, but I'll try to get some in here as much as possible. Thanks for watching.